Breast cancer may have tried to dim the spirits of so many brave individuals, but we believe in spreading hope, love, and joy during their journey. That's why, in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month, Patriot Illumination is thrilled to announce our Light Up for Hope Christmas Light Giveaway. We are searching for 5 deserving houses to illuminate this October, celebrating the strength and resilience of those who have battled breast cancer or are currently fighting this disease. We want to create a magical and uplifting experience for them and their loved ones. We're lighting up these special homes with pink and white lights, the colors that symbolize hope and unity in the fight against breast cancer. To nominate a deserving home or to share your own story, please visit our website or reach out to us directly. Together, let's shine a light on breast cancer and remind everyone that no one fights alone.